Now we are going to learn about half subtractor and full subtractor. So first we are going to see half subtractor. The aim is to study by design and construct half subtractor and verify the truth tables using logic gates. And now the procedure. Connections are given as per the circuit diagram and we have to switch on the digital lab trainer kit, and inputs are given using the toggle switch, and we have to observe the output and verify the truth table. And here the input variable is A and B and the output variable is borrow and difference. And this is the circuit diagram for half subtractor, and this is a truth table for half subtractor. That is, if you give input as 0 and 0, then the output will be 0 and 0, and if you give input as 0 and 1, then the borrow will be 1 and the difference will be 1. Likewise we have to check for all. And the next one is K-map for borrow and difference. As I already told you about the K-map in half adder and full adder, so here also the same step you have to repeat. That is, you have to put 1 in the box and you have to group it and you will get the expression. So the next is the list of components you will require if you are going to do this experiment. So now moving on to the full subtractor, the aim is to study by design and construct the full subtractor and verify the truth tables using logic gates. And the procedure is, connections are given as per the circuit diagram and we have to switch on the digital lab trainer kit, and inputs are given using the toggle switch, and we have to observe the output and verify the truth table. And in this full subtractor, input variables are A, B and C, and output variables are borrow and difference. So this is the circuit diagram for full subtractor. And this is the truth table. That is, if you give input as 0 0 0, then the output will be 0 and 0, and if you give input as 0 0 1, then the output will be 1 in the borrow and 1 in the difference. Likewise you have to do for other. And this is the KMF for borrow and difference. As I said before, you have learned in half adder, you are going to do here also. That is, you are going to see where the 1 is present in the output box in the truth table, and you are going to put 1 in this box also, and you will group that and you will find the Boolean expression. And this is the list of components you will require if you are going to do this experiment. So now let's see how can we implement the half subtractor here. For doing that, we will need 2 toggle switch and 1 XOR gate and 1 NOT gate and 1 AND gate and 2 bulb for output. And we are going to label that and we are going to give the connection. So on checking the truth table, if you give input as 0 and 0, then you will get output as 0 and 0. If you give 0 and 1, then you will get 1 and 1. If you give 1 and 0, then you will get 1 and 0. Then if you give 1 and 1, then you will get 0 and 0. So now we are going to implement the full subtractor. For that we will need 3 toggle switch and 2 XOR gate and 2 NOT gate and 2 AND gate and 1 OR gate and 2 bulb for output. So now I'm going to label that. Now I'm going to make connections. So on checking the truth table, if you give 000 as input and you will get the output as 00, and if you give 100 as input and you will get 10 as output, and if you give 010 as input and you will get 11 as output, likewise you have to check for all.